New Honda ADV 350cc changes 2026-2027. Key updates for 2026 to 2027. The biggest new additions for these model years are centered on usability and Euro 5 co-handlebar adjustable rear suspension. One of the most requested features, the twin rear shocks with remote reservoirs, now feature adjustable spring preload. This allows you to tune the ride depending on whether you're carrying a passenger or heavy luggage.
Euro 5 ready. The engine was recently refined to meet the strict Euro 5 Plus emission standards, which will remain the benchmark for 2027. Engine 330cc SP Plus Enhanced Smart Power Plus SOHC 4-valve single-cylinder. Power, approximately 29 horsepower, 21.5 kilowatts at 7,500 revolutions per minute. Efficiency, improved ECU settings and a revised muffler catalyzer designed for cleaner operation without sacrificing the 30 km/h WMTC fuel economy.